We go to other news now. 6 persons, including 4 students of Monroe Prep School, were injured when a truck transporting a tractor overturned and slammed into the vehicle that was taking them to school in St. Elizabeth. It happened in Top Hill Wednesday morning. Krista Campbell has the details.
A truck, a tractor, a Toyota Voxy bus, and 6 persons who narrowly escaped serious injuries. The truck was transporting the tractor downhill in Top Hill, St. Elizabeth Wednesday morning. TVJ News understands the vehicles had been doing work to install Jamaica Public Service JPS light posts in the area moments before the crash. Firefighters say they were called about 6:45 a.m.
On reaching to this given location, we observed that a truck which was transporting a tractor-trailer overturned, leaving an oil spill on the road. So I'm here with my team normally to get it sorted out so we can get the road back in proper working order.
The Toyota Voxy was taking 4 students to school.
Right here, so me there, when me see it come down. And when it come down and lit inside the bank, you know, so come me drive off and the boom slide out, I boom lit the bus. If I boom slide out, we wouldn't get no lick.
When the truck come around the corner, so you come like you get out of control. Either you lose the brake or something, but when they come down, you just like run. You never go up on 2-wheel down here, so come down. Then the truck go over there, so the tractor drop off first, then the truck flick over the tractor, go up in the ear or something. Yeah. Yeah, but me never know say my brother was leaking.
Swing it from a couple car up there, so. And by the time you come here, so, it's like the tractor draw it on both sides. Right. So till you just flip. Take down light wire then.
It's another inconvenience for residents of the Southern Parish who only just recently had their electricity restored following severe damage to JPS's infrastructure after Hurricane Beryl's passage on July 3.
We can't wait so long again without electricity. As quick as possible, they can't come. Probably I'll know some every day before I go back in. How long we go through it?
The road was partially cleared by late afternoon, and up to news time, only 1 student and an adult were still in hospital.
4 of them get hurt. 1 broken hand, 1 get trapped on our forehead, 1 eye, and 1 chin. And me get the shoulder lick and the knee lick.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.